Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best automotive paint stripper that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the MaxStrip Professional Strength Paint. This versatile paint stripper from MaxStrip safely removes paints from different lacquers, including car paint. Rather than sanding a vehicle, use a small amount of MaxStrip on doors, hoods, or other parts of your vehicle to strip the paint. We suggest testing a small area to make sure it doesn't ruin the surface and ensure it doesn't dry out. One shopper raved, "I was impressed with MaxStrip because after the gel had removed all of the paint in one area, I simply moved it to another area and it continued to work." Moving on at number 4, we have the Demond SmartStrip. This VOC-free Demond SmartStrip product is excellent for removing paint from certain plastics, plaster, or metals that have up to 15 layers of paint on them. A quick search on YouTube will conjure up many videos showing how to apply and use this product to prep most painted areas. When working it onto the surface of a car, it doesn't harden like other removers. Used for plastic fender flares and trim on Pontiac Vibe, explained one consumer. Loosens the paint and doesn't affect the plastic at all. A great solution, especially if you can remove the piece from the car to protect from undesired stripping. At number 3, we have the Safe and Easy Citrus Paint Remover. Great for horizontal areas due to its gel consistency, this quality Safe and Easy Paint Remover gets the job done without toxic chemicals. Applied in one direction, this mixture works while wet and should not be allowed to dry out. It is available in 32, 64, or 128 fluid OZS for small or large indoor or outdoor projects. Although it's non-toxic, protective gear should still be worn when handling this product. Used this to remove the soft touch coating from my Seiko 85 rifle stock, wrote one shopper. Safe and easy dissolve the unwanted finish without hurting the synthetic stock underneath. At number 2, we have the Motsenbocker's Lift-Off Latex Paints must be removed safely, and Motsenbocker's Lift-Off formula does the job excellently. Its water-based and biodegradable ingredients work well on a car, upholstery, or other painted surfaces. It can also remove paint from enamels, rubbers, stove ranges, or wooden floors. As with all strong products, test the liquid on a small area before applying it to the rest of the surface. Used it on a car and it worked well, explained one buyer. Plan on multiple passes on textured surfaces. Heavy paint will require gradual removal, taking layers off at a time. And finally at number 1, we have the Sunnyside Multi-Strip Advanced Formula. Customers that require an easy application process that gets the job done quickly on different areas will appreciate this Sunnyside Multi-Strip Paint Remover. Its versatile uses include removing paint from a vehicle or range hood, bike wheels, or outdoor bricks. Keep in mind that it works best on oil-based paints. It gets down to the bare metal, explained one reviewer who used this on their Harley. I found it works best by applying a heavy thick coat and letting it work overnight. Instead of using a plastic paint scraper, I used a shop rag to wipe the excess paint away. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.